2 rules, man. Ball security is job security. That's rule number 1. Take that in. Young kids out there, these are rules of life at quarterback job. Ball security is job security. That's number 1.
What's number 2?
Number 2 is you can't make the club in the tub, all right? So you gotta be stretching. You gotta be doing everything you can to stay healthy, all right? You can't make the club in the tub, and ball security is job security, all right? Every time. You got that, right? You got that?
So.
That's it. There it is. Watch speed in my DNA. This is Kelsey. Is my girlfriend. I'm gonna take a little break.
Oh yeah, I know. That's what I said. I'm used to it.
You get this? That's what he said. Hey, we were in the Natty. We had -5 rushing yards, and I was like, "Hey, what are we like? We're not running the ball." He's like, "You got 400 passing yards, Austin. Shut up." So that's how that went.
Yeah.
He's got to catch that, bro. You feel me? Hey, you're doing you. He's got to catch that, all right? Look at me. He's got to catch it.
bro? That was sick.
Yeah, because that's because I'm locked down.